Alright, welcome back everyone. Let's go over the basic structure of an if statement. Now, again, if statements are pretty prevalent throughout most programming language, but sometimes they actually do differ. The one thing that you need to know in JavaScript is whenever you do something that's equals, you have to put 3 equal signs. And I know that sounds weird, but basically you have to do that, okay? So, an if statement, as we talked about before, is we have an if, then what we call a condition, and if that condition is met, we run this code. Sometimes in certain codes, you go if, and then a is double equal to 1. You can just add in the code here. You can say some code, something like that. Okay, but for now, it's best to use the curly braces. Okay, so if a was equal to 2, would this change? And the answer is absolutely not. Because what ends up happening here is that a is double equal to 1. So if a is equal to 1, then we're going to do this. But right now, a is equal to 2. So this if statement won't work. So I can click this button all I want. It's absolutely not going to work until I change it back to 1, and then I can go ahead and click that here. Okay? It's pretty simple. And basically, that is the structure of an if statement. So we have the if, then the condition, and then we go ahead and do this code. This can be anything we want here. Now watch this. We can actually do this. Let's say a equals 2. Okay. So now at the end of this, a is going to equal 2. And we can add in a whole other if statement. And I'm actually going to copy this. And I'm going to say a is double equal to 2. And we're going to change it to something else. We're going to say it to ha 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 or something like that. Okay? And then banana. Okay? So if we push it once, what ends up happening here is that it actually it goes from A and it goes all the way to B. So it goes to this if statement because it happens so fast. So what really happens here is we have A, and then it goes to this, and then basically it goes A equals 2, and it goes immediately to this. Okay? So that is how an if statement works. I'll see you guys next time.